Klar Architects is excited to share with you our office-produced video of a new modern 3-story single-family home to be constructed on the Intracoastal in Pinellas County. This 4,500 square foot 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath home was designed to have a sleek, streamlined, minimalist look with ease of maintenance and cleaning. Klar Architects provide a complete integrated architectural and interior design services. Our in-house delivery system provides our clients with an artistically consistent and well-coordinated look. This also allowed our clients the pleasure and convenience of working with our same design team from start to finish. Klar Architects has been using this videographic program for years. This software has made it much easier for our clients to accurately visualize their designs. This new technology has helped our clients make better and more informed design decisions, and it's also sped up the schematic design phase. Check out more of this at www.klar.com.